Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Life with Tommy C. I'm your host, Tommy C. Today's video, what we are planning to talk about is the radio frequencies in a new area that we have talked about in a couple of videos back, but not in this video series. So the radio frequencies that we are going to be talking about is the radio frequencies in French Lick, Indiana. So they've got a frequency for Blue Sky Casino at frequency 468 at 3125. And looking at the French Lick Springs Hotel websites, looking on activities, looking at hotels, they got 50 days of lights. They got their tree lighting on November 17th, November 13th. They got West Bay lighting on November 20th. They got Thanksgiving on Thursday, November 25th through Saturday, November 27th. And they also got New Year's Eve at the French Lick Resort, Trail to 2022. And they also got a couple of packages schedules of events. At 5 p.m., there will be holiday entertainment with Sarah Silvers in the atrium. 7 p.m. tree lighting ceremony with special appearance from Santa and special animated holiday light show. Just a reminder, this event's only for guests of West Bay Springs Hotel. Guests will be prohibited at the check-in to allow access to event. So that's for the West Bay Springs lighting. If we click on more information for like Thanksgiving, they got $49 for adults, $20 for children 5 to 12. Reservations are required. You can call 1-844-241-6361. Enjoy Thanksgiving dinner in the Grand Colonnade. Multiple seating times are available. Tom the Turkey Run, Thanksgiving Bounce Bash, Family Photograph Weekend. Other dining options, they got 1875 Steakhouse, they got Pluto's Pizzeria. This is like not even talking about West Bay Springs Hotel. So that's pretty much on their website for Thanksgiving. So if we click on activities, I want to go over, their concerts coming up. They have Trace Atkins. They have Clint Black, Grand Funk Railroad. A lot of these have new dates because of COVID. There's Trace Atkins. It's going to be playing on Saturday, January 29th at 8 p.m. So please keep that in mind. If you guys ever want to go to French Lick, make sure you guys keep at the times. Now, if we click on indoor activities, they got pools, they got shopping, they got tours, they got fitness, they got bowling arcade and bowling. So here's like a little video for you about the indoor attractions.
The weather outside not cooperating. Back to work. There's plenty to do indoors at French Lake Resort. Immerse yourself in our history with a guided landmarks tour. Our backstories are fascinating. Plan a relaxing afternoon in the spa with a full range of services and sumptuous spa products to take home. You can grab a tasty warm-up on the fly or treat yourself to something sweet. Shopping, indeed. Take home some unique items from our shops or the latest in stylish French Lake Resort wear. Make it a culinary event in one of our fine dining restaurants, or go a little more casual in our mini fair.
So that was a little bit about the French Lake Resort indoor options. So that right there, how to say this? They got activities and events. So if we click on calendar of events at French Lake Resort, they got 50 days of lights, which that's going to start on the 25th and 26th. That's the date which I'm planning to take you guys on a video with. So make sure you guys have your notification bell ready. And make sure you guys like, subscribe to my page. Plus also on that day, there's like a fall hot seat giveaway. You might be seeing at your next lucky hot seat. 10 winners will be drawn every Friday, with each winner receiving $100 in free play. Winnings are automatically uploaded to your account. No need to leave your seat. Drawing are every 30 minutes. You must be exit gaming with a French Lake Rewards card. Insert at slots and open rating, or with an open rating at the table games. So that's a little bit about that. Plus they also have a Veterans Day thing. That's the Veterans Day for people that are military. So if we go back to this page, radioreference.com, and we click on Indiana, and if we click on, let's see, Orange County, French Lake Resort in French Lake Springs Hotel Resort and Blue Sky Casino are kind of like together. So if you guys want to look that up, just go on radioreference.com before you guys go on a visit there, because that will help them out immediately. So kind of like one of their frequencies are 452.7125, 457.7125, and 464.050. And if we click on Blue Sky Casino, we see that they have 461, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They got 8 top groups. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. I dove a lot into this. So now Patoka Lake Marina, they have frequencies 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 4 frequencies, and they are located right here. So that's about it for today's video. I hope everyone liked it. Make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.